Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making pork fried rice. Let's get right to it. To start, slice pork and season with cooking oil, light soy sauce, ground black pepper, cooking oil, and cornstarch. Stir fully and marinate overnight. Mince scallions and prepare cooked white rice and place in a mixing bowl. Breaking up clumps with a spoon and also hand. Heat cooking oil in a wok and stir in chopped scallion until fragrant. Add pork dices and cook until golden brown. Then stir in mixed vegetables. Add rice and little soy sauce. Stir for 2 minutes and serve immediately. Then pork fried rice is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.